time, it's time, it's time. Let's get it. Let's get it. Time it is, bro. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead and install that bad boy real quick. Got the game with me.
So I'm saying, big SRT stage, man. Off-road stage, trucker stage. You see it?
No, he don't like the camera.
The fastest out of the group, man. Know what I'm saying? I'm back with another one, man. Yeah. You getting a drip check or that, man? What's happening? Hey, man. Hey, Milk got to do all these mods to his car to beat me. I'm the one he want to beat. He ain't raced me. Yeah, he did race me, man.
Blew the doors off his ass.
You got to put on the Hellcat supercharger blow end up, man. To beat the 508. Trajan? Oh,
Mo by Trey, Lace by Trey, get your sneeze by Trey.
Ooh, la la la. Ooh. They doing him so bad right now. He got to get a tune too to beat the 5-0. He got to, you know what I'm saying? The 5-0 coming up.
Man,
on that big boat of his.
I got my tune, but I'm just waiting on my piece of money.
No piece.
Alright, Big Cat, y'all already see it, man. Yeah, we at the ducked off location. I'm turning back on the camera and everything, get it going. Feel me?
Cat.
She say I'm thinking with my dick, I guess I'm thinking really hard. Cause I ain't give a bitch a cheat before I give her all my heart. You got 99 problems and the biggest one.
Trey, where you going? God damn, we almost took the rap out to come.
But this shit still square.
Bad nigga one, ain't it?
I don't know, I'm scared.
I'm blowing the battery.
Yeah, that bitch squirting.
I'm blowing the battery.
Go and blow the battery.
Yeah, like you never had your finger in that motherfucker.
Man, I don't like all that gas. Go
Go
unplug the battery, man. Look what I'm doing.
I told y'all that 30 minutes ago.
When you take the ass out of the way.
I'm squirting, baby.
You had to get the pressure out the battery.
Oh, nigga. I'm still off on you, kid.
Ain't on no beat. He lying.
He got to get the airport.
We're just getting her done right now. You know. All right.
Using a little elbow grease.
We need a little power drill, but you know, they're being lazy as hell. We're doing everything ourselves, you know. All right.
Teamwork, man, the dream work. Yeah. Hi. I ain't gonna get your T-top.
I don't give a fuck about no T-top, nigga. This ain't a dog, nigga. Hey man, don't let you fucking hook. All these people don't do what you mean. Everybody gonna do it. Everybody can do it.
Yeah.
They look like Michael Myers. He's on Jason. Hot your ass, nigga. Hot.
Chucky. I give you the
Crazy, but bitch, you look like a chicken.
Well, no, that the bitch is already took.
Shut up, bitch.
Y'all see the difference?
Look at that Hellcat supercharger on top of this motherfucker. Somebody give me a cigarette so I can bounce that bitch on my lip.
You feel me? Boy, we gotta
clean the bitch. When the fuck did you play that shit?
I heard the music, but I ain't catch on.
I ain't hear that shit.
Hey, that nigga got like a 2017, 2018 Tahoe. That nigga said that been in the group chat.
What?
Ooh, gotta clean them hoes. 2017, 18 Tahoe. It's one of the body one of the years.
That's a new one.
Taking the front bump off. Finna install the lower Hellcat for my cold air intake. I'm gonna keep it factory, feel me? Just for now. Finna go ahead and get it done. Finna go to the parts store real quick. Just give y'all an overview of everything, what's going on.
Putting it down green? I'm putting a green bed on it.
Put a Hellcat intake on that motherfucker.
Yeah.
The supercharger.
Don't crack you. See, that's why I told him, I said, let you go.
I'm trying to get that early.
Yeah, those are good. My car is almost done. I think that's guy in Daytona.
I'm bad, bro. I run into some little issue screws. That's it, bro. Other than that, everything's straight. Finna clean everything up. I'm gonna leave my car here. Come back tomorrow. Lab update you. Y'all see what's going on. He's saving down the screws. Trying to make sure everything's good. Cause give y'all a heads up on everything. If you buy it from somebody, make sure they give you all the screws to it. You know what I'm saying? Cause with me, I had to go scramble to Lowe's, Ace Hardware, so different stores around the city to find some right screws. But good thing we got the right equipment to do everything right. But like I said, if you're gonna do this, make sure you go to a Mopar and just order the screws ahead of time so you don't have to go through all this. That's what we always doing right now anyway. But I just want to update y'all. Everything get going, putting everything back on, turn back on the camera. Well, right now, we had one of our guys come over here and wire everything up, but we get, you know what I'm saying, just to help us out. But this be hard, ain't it? Hey, bro, they make everything look easy on YouTube, bro. I'm be real with you. But this shit is hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? Especially you got everything you need. But we got everything we need, but it's just the wiring part, bro. Got everything wired up, man, but we gotta put it back on real quick to see if it's gonna work. Let me tell y'all something. Hey, bro, it's good and I'm learning. Both of us learn how to do this by ourselves or together right now. Tripping. If you do this by yourself, bro, then be mindful. Make sure you have everything, as in extra wiring, all the tools. Make sure you got all the parts, so you even do this. Cause without the wiring and stuff, you can't even put it on. You can, you know what I'm saying? Do what you do. It's gonna run, but like I said, it's pointless without wiring everything up. Do what I got to deal with over. Complete, my boy. We finna make it look good right now, like a box shaving underneath it, baby. All these wires, but it's on, it's pumping. We already started it up. Everything running good. You know what I'm saying? Stay. 334 Customs over there, you feel me? He on the hill. Big boy. It reads so it works. You see the RPM going up and down. Now it's dropping to 1,000. So everything working, you feel me? Ain't no box shipping no more, right? You feel me? So everything cleaned up. Yes, sir. We in a different area, everything up running good. I'm just uploading my J Green tune right now. You know what I'm saying? It's 1 o'clock in the morning, as you can see. Make sure y'all like this video. Subscribe to the channel, man. I put in a lot of hard work for all this, bro. And I appreciate all the support. I'm gonna turn back on the camera and everything get uploaded. See how it run and give y'all a review on it. Day vibes, man, and it's gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Y'all see Bear right here chilling. Everything up and running as of right now, you feel me? But the overall install, bro, doing it, yeah, I had help, but just doing overall, I get out of toughness because the wiring, I say 7 out of 10, just because it took us 2 days. You know what I'm saying? We did it ourselves, but overall, bro, I'm happy with the installment. I'm happy where it's riding. Next video with about the tune and about the installment, I'm gonna give y'all a review on it. I'm gonna punch on them, do a POV, let y'all actually get a feel for them, to give y'all an update on everything. But, bro, I put in a lot of hard work doing all this, bro. And I take pride in it. I got a passion for it. I already know I do. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, bro. And I want to introduce my new car club called The Fast Life. I'm doing it just for this video right here. I already got my IG started, or RRG started for it. It's exclusive car club. You know what I'm saying? I just want to reveal it to you guys first. Then I'm going to drop it later on. When I drop the video, I'm going to drop it on all social media to let everybody know what's going on. Appreciate all the love, support. Get back at me in the next video, man. I'm finna go finish everything up with the car, man, before I take it up to Atlanta. Salute to you guys, man. Much love. Yurt.